Come back a bit, come back a bit.
Chest. Look. Oh. The chest. I wasn't aiming for you. This is what you look like, right? Now this is, I'll just show you. John's going like this, yeah? Oh, Christ.
Just want to let you out. She went through your thing. Went through your top.
Can you try and get one on the chest this time?
It's going to take another one.
On the chest, John. Make your hands. Here's your hands. I've got a couple of balls. No, chest.
That
got me the worst place to be shot. So happy. That gives me so much pleasure.
Okay, one more.
No, that's enough. That's
Has it gone too?
Sunny minds on the
You're crazy, doing just a t-shirt.
Well, I had to make the footage worthwhile. Rob's like, oh shit, I was like, oh, for fuck's sake. Oh.